Hi everyone, thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Ningbo Factory Tour. My name is Alex and I will be your host today. So Certified Supplier Initiative, as you know, was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby products based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility to help you find the most appropriate business partner in China. Today we are in Ningbo. Ningbo is one of the major manufacturing regions in China. Ningbo is also a major production hub for toys and baby products, including wooden toys, baby prams, safety cars, high chairs, children bicycles, etc. To give you more deeper understanding of Certified Supplier, we are going to visit and explore Ningbo Bolenn Manufacturing Company Limited. So if you follow me, we're going to go inside this factory and find out more. Ningbo Bolenn was established in 2009, so they have so many years experience in the industry. And Bolen is a design and manufacturing company of baby car seats, basically, as we introduce further. Now, the factory is obviously ISO 9001 certified factory. And when we talk about their brands, they have 2 major brands. These are Bolen and Nado. And I was introduced, the Bolen factory exports to more than 40 regions around the globe. That includes majority Europe, Middle East and Asian countries. And also, this factory is pretty modern, and it's got 35,000 square meters space, including office and modern factory, and with over 260 workers. And also Bolen is cooperating with major laboratories around Europe. For example, IDIADA in Spain, CSI in Italy, and some more in UK and some other European countries. So as you can see, Ningbo Bolenn is pretty solid and strong company for baby car seats, as we're going to explore further in the line today. All right, now welcome to the manufacturing center of Ningbo Bolenn Manufacturing Company Limited. As you can see, it's a massive area. So before we go any further and explore, let me introduce a couple of very important facts here. So this is where you can see actually how baby safety car seats are made. And standard protection process and strict quality management system are one of the very important valuation criteria for certified suppliers. So if you follow me, you will see how these baby car seats are made. So let's just go in. Ningbo Bolenn Manufacturing Company Limited recently invested 30 million RMB in automated injection machines. So these injection machines are fully automated. They have a robot arm here, and they use this special system, like fully automatic material feeding system. All right, this material feeding system is operated through basically different colored pipes, as you can see. Different colors stand for different purposes here. As I was told, there's injection like a feeding materials, and there's water, and there's electricity. This is how the machine operates. And as you can see, there's one person takes care of the product quality here. He inspects it, makes sure that everything is fine, and then passes it on to the next table. So this is how the injection workshop operates in Bolenn Manufacturing Company Limited. All right, now welcome to the sewing workshop of Ningbo Bolenn. Now behind me you can see 3 workshops, A, B, C, and then there is another workshop like for webbing, as I was told. So in total they have 4 workshops here. Now these workshops are operating in a very efficient way. As I was told, on my left side here, there's materials are being kept and then right in front of them there are sewing workshops. And then, so these workshops, why they are very important, because as I was told, Bolen is actually with the strongest capacity for sewing in whole Ningbo area. So let's check one of the workshops behind me here. What you see behind me is an automatic cutting machine. As you can see here, the material, soft material, goes through this line, and then it approaches the cutting the part of the machine. So the shapes actually pre-designed in the computer, and the machine just performs whatever the computer tells to the machine. So it's very precise. Actually, I want to show you one of the pieces here. As you can see, there are some big parts, big cuttings, and then there are some very small, very detailed parts as well. So here. So this demonstrates how precise the machine is actually, you know. It's really good, and in my opinion, very advanced technology. All right, now we are in the workshop for the patterns here, and in this workshop actually sample products are being made, as you can see. So behind me there is a gentleman cutting the patterns, and once he cuts the patterns, he passes on them to the sewing section here. As you can see, there is one lady operating right now. So basically what she does is she like sews the soft parts on top of the patterns here. Ningbo Bolen has 6 assembly lines planned initially, but 2 of them now are in operation. As you can see, I'm surrounded by workers here in one of the assembly lines. So in total there are 80 workers right now in this workshop. So as you can see here, the assembly line starts from the beginning there, and then it moves on. There are like fixing stations and also like quality control stations. As you can see, this gentleman putting the parts together, and then once he's done, he puts the product back into the line, and then it goes on to the next station with another worker with different purpose. All right, in the assembly line there's a special inspection part. Obviously, as you can see, these workers are inspecting the baby car seat for the final time, and then if everything is fine, they are passing it on to the dryer part here. There's a special drying part. So the baby car seats, they go through this dryer, and then finally after the dryer they are being wrapped and packaged, as you can see. All right, as we go through the workshops here, I noticed there are so many inspection points, quality inspection points, and one of the very interesting parts is this machine here. So this machine, the purpose of it is to detect metal actually. For example, if one of the workers leaves a needle or some metal inside the cushion of the baby car seat, so basically it's dangerous for the baby. So in order to check it, they have this machine, they use this, okay? They go through this machine here, and this is a good product, so it passes on. But what if there is some metal or some needle inside it which might, injure the baby? So let's check, okay? This is a demonstration of a bad product. The machine stops and gives it back. All right, so it doesn't pass, so it has to be examined again, and then the metal or the whatever needle is taken back and then fixed, and then it has to go through the detector again. So I think this is a very good safety measure. All right, just like any other baby products, baby car seats should be very, very safe for the babies, okay? And so because of that, Ningbo Bolenn, they have their own testing lab to test the product, okay? If it's safe or if it's not safe. So for that purpose, they have different testing machines. For example, here, the buckle of the baby car seat is being tested for the durability. For example, as you can see, the machine opens it, closes it, opens it, closes it for endless of times. See how it's durable. And then as you can see, there is another test for the buckle. Again, it's being tested for the different like force, etc. and see if it's safe to sell or not. And in here we can see one of the workers operating, again, the testing machine here. And this is, as I was told, this is for the force, and she's operating the machine, making sure everything is working correctly so that the operation is smooth. And further down we have the drop test, and Bolen has also chemical testing machines as well, as I was told. So as you can see here, they have all the machines for the safety purposes, making sure the product is safe before it leaves the factory. So when it reaches the customers, the product is safe enough to be used in real life. All right, now I would like to introduce and talk about featured products from Ningbo Bolenn. Before I go into the details of the product, let me give you a little bit background information how this product came into life. So basically, as I was told, the factory spent 2.5 years basically to research and develop this product, and it was done in collaboration with very strong laboratories in Europe. And when it was launched back in 2016 October, it was number 12 in the world when we talk about the regulation 129 product, and it was number 1 from China. This is the very important feature you would like to pay attention to. And also, once the product was launched, basically it was tested in different laboratories. For example, TAS in Netherlands, and in IDIADA in Spain, for example. And also, very importantly, they tested the product in Germany for crash test, and as I was told that the result was 1.8, for example. It was in terms of the rate, that was super safe for the babies. And now let me give you some introduction about the product, how it works. Basically, when you touch the product, you can feel the quality, okay? And there is a special handle here. You can turn it, all right? So it goes like this, and different, here we go, and positions. So let me put it back, right here. And I apologize because this is the first time I'm touching this product. And now the product has, when we talk about the ages, the product is designed for different groups of kids. And it's from young born babies to up to like 4 years old babies. When we talk about the centimeters, the height of the baby, it's from 40 centimeters to 105 centimeters. So you can see there are like different adjusting buttons here. For example, it's got it lays down like that. It's a very solid, very good product. As far as I'm concerned. So basically, Bolen is coming up with different featured products that we are looking forward to in the future, and we will be introducing them as we come into life. We are standing in the design workshop of Ningbo Bolenn, as you can see. So let me give you a general introduction about their design team. Basically, as I was told, they have around 12 members in the design team. And also Bolen has been cooperating with European strong design companies since 2014. And they said that they focus on more the engineering part and the building part of the baby car seats, but they cooperate with more experienced and qualified, like really strong design teams throughout Europe. So behind me there are some workers actually working in different designs in a computer, and you can see some products on the table as well. Okay, in the design room we have some workshop area as well. As you can see, there is a handmade the part of the product making process. On the wall you can see some of the tools here, and it's really amazing how these tools are being used to make this actual products here. This gentleman here is making sure that every part of the product is perfect. So he's putting some, a personal touch in the product. As we talked in the beginning of the factory tour, social responsibility is very important criteria for all the certified suppliers. We mainly evaluate how the company takes care of its employees and implements ethical working standards. So as you can see, we are standing in the employee canteen of Ningbo Bolenn. In here, as I was told, there are around 100 seats for the employees to have, to dine and eat basically after their works, and they can enjoy the meal together and have some social time. Mr. Barry, thank you very much for factory tour today. I had a great pleasure going around the factory, and we've seen marvelous, really interesting processes being, the production line, assembly line, etc., etc. So I would like to ask you a couple of questions, if that's okay, please.
Of course.
So first of all, can you give a very brief introductory about yourself?
Okay. Hello guys. I'm Barry Lin. I'm the general manager of Ningbo Bolenn, and I'm also one of the founders for this company. I'm more in charge of the exporting sales, marketing, product development, and a little bit of everything, because this is a family business, so we're kind of everywhere in different aspects. Thank you.
All right, thank you. And our next question is going to be, how many years have you been involved in baby products?
Okay, as I explained, our company was started in the year 2009, so let's say 12 years up to today exactly.
All right, thank you.
All right.
So our next question is going to be, can you please talk about a little bit about company culture?
Okay, I think the company culture is more relating to our family's personality. We are more easygoing, we are more straightforward, we are more down to earth. Yeah. So in terms of the products, we really focus on the product safety, quality, consistency, and we have to respect, and we have to be honest, and we are equal and fair in this small environment of our Ningbo Bolenn manufacturing.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Barry, once again, really appreciate it. And before we say goodbye and finish this video, I'd like to say that if you have any questions or queries or interested in working with Ningbo Bolenn, you can directly get in touch with them, or else you can get in touch with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We have the sign here. In any way, we will put you in contact with them. So thank you very much for following this video, really appreciate it, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.